The main causes of timber decay are the presence of water and the proliferation of biotic agents such as insects and fungi. Inadequate environmental conditions are also affecting the condition. The mechanical damage of the roof timber structure, including cracking, disconnection of joints, deflections and deformations, are due to poor original design, for example, the selection of timbers and joints, and inadequate interventions. It is important to distinguish building fungi causing dry and wet rot and fungi which does not cause rot, but grows in goods such as molds and stain producers. The assessment of timber decay is a very specialist subject. It is difficult to assess decay only visually, as often degradation, damage, and natural defects are internal. The survey should start by identifying the timber species and carrying out a visual strength grading, assessing the natural defects of the structure and estimating its strength and stiffness. It should then be followed by laboratory testing of mechanical properties. There should also be a study of the pathologies relating to the biotic degradation. This should be carried out by an expert, as it is difficult to identify the type of fungi attack and evaluate if it is still active or not, as its appearance varies. The study of the timber species and its structural behavior involves the study of the good anatomy, microscopic analysis with hand lenses, and microscopic analysis using light transmission microscope. There are two necessary measurements. First, the environmental conditions, temperature and humidity levels using an air thermometer and hygrometers, and second, the moisture content in the good elements using a hygrometer. We will present in Subunit 2 some non-destructive and semi-destructive testing to establish the condition of materials. Only to mention here some of the instruments and methods used. In any case, access to the good surface is required when carrying out an ultrasonic test or microdrill. Cameras are also useful instruments, snake camera and thermal camera.